You will like the property.
I will like the property.
Trust
I
me,
better
you are
do.
going to like
Hey, I said I better do because you.
I'm glad you are happy.
You are mad. This looks like happy face to you, Abi.
You were laughing just now.
I was laughing just now. Baba, where would they go? Come and show me the place because I'm not even ready for your drama again. If I knew it was you, I won't be wasting my time.
No wahala. Anyway, wahala. Here we are. I told you I'm glad you are happy. I told you I'm going to thrill your emotions. I'll give you a touch of class and difference. So here we go. You can see the rooftop. You can have like events in the rooftop. You can see everything here. Like this is like pay and moving, fully furnished.
Pay and moving to where?
To the house.
Event on which rooftop?
Can't you see the rooftop?
It's like something they walk you. Something is wrong with you. What's that?
Yes, that is the security house.
The security house. What is stamped on the security house?
That is a cardboard.
That is a cardboard. What is written on the cardboard?
That is a pronoun.
That is a pronoun.
Yes.
Right now, read what is written down there.
No temperature.
No. Yes!
No
Christ, I can't say I'm sure.
I mean no transportation.
No transportation.
Yes.
That's what is written there. No transportation. No trespassing. You're telling me no transportation.
What are we talking about?
What are we not talking about?
What are we talking about? It is very simple. It's self-explanatory.
Go on.
It is self-explanatory.
And myself does not understand it. Go on.
That is why I said no transportation, because people used to transport because this place is actually an Android homes.
Android homes.
Yes. So people transport using trains through this railway.
You will live in front of railway.
Listen, this place was a railway.
You will live in front of railway.
So because of that, people transport using the railway. That is why they looked at it. They are like, no trains passing. That is, they don't want trains to pass. And according to this thing, it is actually written by a Ghanaian.
By a Ghanaian.
Yes, that is why it says no trains.
No train.
That is a camp. Train. If it's in Nigeria, it says no trans passing.
Something is wrong with you. No. There's nothing you want to tell me. Something is wrong with you. You are doing this again. Good. It's how you are confidently saying rubbish for me that I'm still trying to understand.
Thank you so much.
Something must be wrong with you. Who they compliment you?
Why are you confused? That time you smile, now you are angry. Now you compliment me and you say...
Is this the house you showed me online, this man? If something is not wrong with you, was this what you showed me online?
That is what I show you online.
This is what you showed me?
Yes.
Uncompleted building.
Is your mindset
event on the roof.
See, I can see a completed
your eye is not working.
You are seeing something. Your mindset is all that, man. You know wait till they worry you. Anytime you see, go inside. No go talk this one blood. Nah, you not climb.
Wait. Why are you talking to?
No, it's one of my colleague.
Your colleague? Where is the colleague that you are talking to?
No, this one is late.
This one is late.
Can't you see this person?
Can't I see who?
You don't invisible mode. You don't even show yourself, man.
Jesus, please. Who is she? What is that?
You don't have to. It's nothing to be afraid of.
How did she get here?
It's nothing to be afraid of.
It's nothing to be afraid of.
Trust me. This is late Mrs. Enoch.
Late Mrs. Enoch.
Man, trust me. She's harmless.
She's harmless.
Don't go talk this one blood though. That one we killed last week. I don't like that.
Jesus.
No talk this one blood.
Wait, how?
You are with me.
I'm with you.
You are with me.
Yes, I see that.
This is late. Oh yeah, come on here. You don't scare my client. Let's see the worry you. They mad. Come on there.
Hey, Jesus.
You never even change your disappearing style. You see they disappear like you know even they creative. We train on your day.
Temi Bami. Well done.
Man, trust me.
I trust you. I see it. I'm coming.
Do you like yoga?
Yes.
Do you like yoga?
How does that relate to this?
Inside the back of this, my friend, will you go inside? What is your problem?
Wait.
Can't you see there is a client here?
Wait. Who again are you talking to?
My friend, go in. There is no blood to suck.
There is no blood. Wait.
Don't worry. That's why I'm telling him that he should not even near your blood.
Who again?
It's this guy that is here. He's saying your face, show your shoe shine.
My shoe shine?
Yes, man. Trust me, there is a cemetery behind.
There is a cemetery behind.
Very calm.
For yoga?
Yes, man. Very calm. Yes. Very serene environment. Good ambience. Good
ambience?
Yes, man. My friend, leave that place.
Jesus Christ. You are mad. You are a mad person. You are very mad. No, there's nothing you can tell me. You are mad.
Hey! Why are you running now? There is no problem. You will not die. Trust me. They don't do anything. They just take the fruit of the womb. But I will give them serious. Don't touch the fruit of her. Ma, excuse me, ma. Oh yeah, will you buy brake pad? Yeah! What about skin glow?